Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Skmei 1123 model watch. Today I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date in this watch. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, consider subscribing and like the video. Let's get started. The very first step before adjusting time and date in this watch is to see whether the time format showing and display it is in 12-hour or 24-hour. If it is in this way, not mention anything regarding hour format, then it is 12-hour. If it is showing this way like 24-hour, then it is 24-hour. To change it, simply press right side button. Okay, once you come into 12-hour format, now we can change the hour and minutes. To change hour and minutes, simply press left side down button 3 times, once, twice, thrice. As you see here, second is popping up. To make it 0, simply press right side button. After adjusting second, to adjust minute, you have to press left side top button. Here you can adjust hour. To go forward, you can press right side button 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, you can adjust hour. Now to move towards minute, you have to press again left side top button. Here you can adjust minutes. In this way, by pressing right side button, you can go forward. After adjusting minute, it's time to adjust date. To adjust date, again you have to press left side top button. Here you can choose month 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are months. After choosing month, you can go for adjusting the date. Again press left side top button 16, 17, 18. These are the dates. After you adjust your date, you can now select the days. To do that, again you have to press left side top button. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In this way, you can select the days of a week. Once you fix these all, simply press left side down button. This will automatically fix the time according to your adjustment. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment what kind of videos you want to see in future. Thank you very much for watching till the end.